let's dive into the Manage Employees section. This is where you'll handle all the employee-related data in a snap. Here, everything is organized for you, making it easy to keep track of your team. First up, the Employee Manage feature allows you to view and edit all employee information efficiently. Now, in the Add Employee section, where you can quickly and easily input all the essential details about your new team member. First up, you can upload the employee photo. This helps keep everything looking professional. Next, you'll fill in the employee code and the employee biometric code. These unique identifiers are crucial for keeping track of attendance and ensuring that each employee's records are accurate. The software even auto-generates employee IDs for you, but if you want to customize them, that's totally possible too. Then it's time to enter the employee name. Moving on to some additional details, you'll specify the gender, along with important dates like birth date and joining date. These optional details help build a complete profile for your new employee. Now let's talk about the employee self-service setting. Here, you'll create a login name and password for the employee, enabling them to access their own information through the self-service portal. This is a great way to empower employees to manage their details and requests independently. Employees can request leave or log outdoor activities through the Employee Self-Service or ESS portal. Now, under the classified details, you can also fill in optional details such as branch, department, and designation. This not only helps you keep your records accurate, but also makes reporting and filtering a breeze. And that's it. With these basic details filled out, you're all set to add a new member to your team efficiently. It's all about making the onboarding process smooth and straightforward, so you can focus on what really matters, building your awesome team. As you manage your employees, you'll also appreciate that their data is synchronized with biometric devices based on their assigned locations. This means that employees will be automatically added or removed from the system as needed, keeping everything up to date without any extra hassle. Now, if you're bringing on a lot of new employees at once, you'll love the bulk onboarding feature. You can easily import employee data through Excel files, which saves you from doing tedious manual data entry. It's quick and efficient, perfect for integrating multiple employees into the system in one go. But that's not all. You also have the option to export the employee list in various formats, such as PDF and Excel. This makes it super easy to share or analyze employee data however you need. And to make finding specific employees a breeze, this page comes with a handy search and filter option. You can filter based on any field, whether it's their name, department, or even their employee code. It's all designed to help you manage your workforce seamlessly and ensure you have everything you need right at your fingertips. So whether you're updating details or exporting data, the employee management section is all about making your life easier and keeping your employee records organized and accessible. Next, we have the custom fields, which lets you tailor the employee records even further by adding specific fields that matter to your organization. This way, you can capture all the relevant information that suits your unique needs. If you ever need to transfer an employee from one location or department to another, the employee transfer feature makes that a simple task. And finally, we have the document template and generate employee document options. This is where you can create and manage essential documents like welcome letter, contracts, etc., streamlining the process of generating employee documents directly from the system. In short, the Manage Employee menu is your one-stop shop for handling all things related to your workforce. With its user-friendly features and efficient data management, you'll have everything you need to keep your team organized and informed.